Two of the biggest names in HR solutions, Justworks and TriNet, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Justworks, streamlined HR solutions designed for simplicity. And on the right, TriNet, comprehensive support for businesses that want it all. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Check this out. We're going to break everything down across these main categories: pricing, global coverage, payroll features, benefits administration, and, scalability and integration. That's our roadmap. Got it locked in? Awesome. Let's jump in. So, let's kick things off with pricing, because who doesn't care about the budget, right? So Justworks actually keeps it pretty transparent. You get clear pricing, and honestly, it's pretty affordable, especially if you're running a small business. But yeah, customization isn't their strong suit here. On the other hand, TriNet goes for a customized pricing model. That sounds cool at first, but unless you love surprises on your invoice, the lack of cost predictability might bug you. So overall, Justworks takes the win for being upfront and stress-free about cost. Next up, global coverage. Justworks gives you a unified platform for international payments, which is sweet, except the country selection can be a little, let's say, limited. Now, TriNet, this is where it gets interesting, TriNet actually leans on a partner-based model, so you get way broader coverage worldwide. Of course, it means more moving pieces, maybe a little extra coordination, but if coverage is your thing, TriNet comes out ahead here. All right, on to payroll features. Both are actually solid, so it's kind of hard to pick a true winner. Justworks automates payroll and even supports local currency. Super handy, super simple. If you want loads of analytics, though, you might find it a bit basic. TriNet brings in multi-state and global payroll tools along with more advanced analytics. But, and this is a big but, the learning curve's steeper. So, pros and cons for each, but in the end, it's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Justworks and TriNet come packed with HR muscle, but they're really built for different business types. Thought that was worth pointing out. Benefits administration. Yeah, this is the stuff most teams actually care about. Justworks gets you access to large group health options and flexible benefits, which is pretty cool if you've got a mixed team. Not bad, right? Downside? Not as many US-based perks. TriNet, meanwhile, goes all out on US employee perks and gives you industry-specific support. But if you were hoping for guides for hiring globally, not so much. So honestly, both have strengths here, and it's a tie. Last category, scalability and integration. If you want to set up HR workflows from end to end, Justworks keeps it easy and straightforward. Integrations are a breeze, which is honestly a relief if you've got like a million SaaS tools. But yeah, some folks wish there was more local expertise. TriNet offers full-service HR, which is cool for bigger orgs, but the integration setup can get, well, a bit complex. So for plug-and-play simplicity, Justworks wins by a nose. If you mapped out scores side by side, you'd see Justworks keeps things simple and lean, great for small teams, while TriNet tends to spike in areas built for more complex, bigger operations. The numbers kind of tell the story. So, if you're all about keeping it simple, saving money, and just want your HR stuff out of the way, Justworks is going to be your jam. But if you need lots of coverage and customization, and your business is more on the enterprise side, then TriNet might fit better. Horses for courses, right? If you're still on the fence, honestly, look at your team size and what you really need. Take a deeper dive into both platforms before you make the call. The perfect fit is out there. Don't settle.